Today I am reviewing the Logitech MX Master 3S wireless mouse. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey there, tech lovers and productivity enthusiasts. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at what many call the absolute king of productivity mice, the Logitech MX Master 3S Wireless Performance Mouse Standard Edition. If you spend hours every single day editing video, coding, navigating massive spreadsheets, or jumping between multiple computers, the mouse in your hand isn't just an accessory. It's your most important tool. Logitech has been dominating this premium space for years, but with the 3S, they have taken things to a completely new level of refinement. Let's break down exactly what makes this mouse a must-have upgrade, from its tactile changes to its internal engineering. First, let's talk about the physical design. Holding the MX Master 3S in the hand feels like an immediate relief. The mouse features an asymmetrical, contoured shape tailored beautifully for a right-handed grip. It supports your palm entirely, while your thumb rests perfectly on a flared side wing. This wing houses a hidden gesture button, a secondary thumb scroll wheel, and back-and-forth navigation keys. But the real game-changer when you first power it on is the introduction of quiet clicks. Logitech completely re-engineered the main left and right switches. They managed to retain that precise, highly tactile physical sensation you expect from a premium click, but they reduced the audible acoustic noise by a staggering 90% compared to its predecessor. If you work in a quiet corporate office, a university library, or a late-night home setup right next to a sleeping family member, this near-silent operation is a massive blessing. Under the hood, the tracking sensor has received a massive upgrade. The MX Master 3S features an outstanding 8000 DPI tracking system. For general office work, you might not use the full 8000 DPI speed, but where this sensor truly shines is its versatility. It is an any-surface tracking beast. Thanks to the advanced optical technology, you can use this mouse flawlessly on dark wood desks, glossy finishes, and even a completely clear sheet of glass. If you frequently travel or move around coffee shops and hot desking offices, you can completely leave your mouse pad at home. The Logi Options Plus application also lets you tweak this sensitivity on the fly, tailoring it beautifully to your specific display setup. Next up is the crowning jewel of the MX Master series, the MagSpeed electromagnetic scroll wheel. Machined out of premium steel, this wheel behaves completely differently than a standard mechanical scroll wheel. When you scroll slowly, electromagnets inside give you pixel-precise, tactile notches so you can feel every single line change. But give it a hard flick, and the magnets immediately disengage, throwing the wheel into a friction-free free spin. It is 87% more precise and 90% faster than a traditional wheel, letting you glide through thousands of rows of code or Excel cells in a matter of seconds, silently and effortlessly. For power users managing a complex workflow, the software ecosystem is incredibly robust. The MX Master 3S supports Logitech FLOW, allowing you to connect to up to 3 devices simultaneously. You can jump effortlessly between Windows, macOS, Linux, and Chrome OS via standard Bluetooth or the included secure Logi Bolt USB receiver. With FLOW activated, moving your mouse cursor to the edge of your Windows PC screen seamlessly transitions it over to your Mac laptop. You can even copy text, images, or heavy files on one computer and paste them directly onto the other over your local network. It completely eliminates the need to constantly email files back and forth to yourself. To wrap it all up, the Logitech MX Master 3S is an absolute masterpiece of productivity engineering. It takes everything that made its predecessors great and perfects it with near-silent buttons, a phenomenal 8000 DPI glass tracking sensor, and unmatched software integrations. Combine all of that with USB-C quick charging and a sustainable build that incorporates post-consumer recycled plastic, and it is easy to see why this is an essential tool for creators and professionals alike.